Hey everyone, welcome back to Human Excellence. We're thrilled to have you join us on this chilly day. Winter is here, and with it comes a whole new set of culinary adventures. Think you're a good cook? Well, today's challenge is tougher than baking a cake. It's all about mastering the art of winter greens. These aren't just any greens, they're the hearty, robust vegetables that thrive in the cold. We're exploring leafy greens and why they're important for your winter meals. From kale to spinach, these greens are packed with nutrients that can help you stay healthy and energized during the colder months. Yes, winter. We're not talking sad, droopy lettuce. We're diving into the world of strong, vibrant greens that can withstand the frost and still deliver a punch of flavor. We're talking strong, tasty greens packed with vitamins and minerals. These greens are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. We're turning winter blah into a healthy green feast. Imagine a table full of vibrant dishes that not only look amazing but also taste incredible. So, grab your aprons, get your knives, and turn on the stove. It's time to get creative and make some mouth-watering dishes that will impress your family and friends. We're about to make some kitchen magic with these 7 leafy greens you need this winter. Stay tuned as we guide you through recipes, tips, and tricks to make the most out of your winter greens. First, let's talk about spinach. This leafy green is not just any vegetable, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. When cooking spinach, be careful not to let it get mushy. Lightly sautéing it preserves its nutrients and keeps it delicious. Spinach is packed with iron and vitamins, making it a true superhero in the vegetable world. It's like having a natural multivitamin right in your garden. It has vitamin C to help fight off winter colds and iron to keep your blood healthy and strong. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants. And don't forget about vitamin A, which keeps your skin bright and glowing even when the weather is freezing. Instead of reaching for vitamin supplements, grab some fresh spinach. Cook it with garlic for an extra boost of flavor and health benefit. You can also toss it into a salad for a refreshing and nutritious meal, or make a warm, comforting spinach soup that's perfect for chilly days. However you choose to enjoy it, just make sure spinach is on your plate this winter. Your immune system will thank you. Next, kale, the king of greens. This king wants it crisp and fresh. It's full of good things and fiber. Kale keeps your tummy happy. Fiber keeps things moving, and antioxidants fight off bad stuff. Massage it with olive oil, bake it until crispy, or put it in a smoothie. Just don't overcook it. Now, Swiss chard, a pretty green vegetable with a colourful stem, is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Don't throw away the stems. They're tasty and packed with nutrients. The vibrant colours indicate the presence of antioxidants. It's full of vitamins A, C, and K, essential for maintaining good vision, boosting your immune system, and keeping your bones strong and healthy. This leafy friend is a great addition to your diet, especially during the winter months when you need that extra boost to stay strong and healthy. Cook it with garlic and lemon for a zesty flavor, or add it to your favorite stir-fry for a nutritious twist. You can also cook it with a variety of herbs and spices to enhance its natural flavors. Swiss chard is delicious and versatile. Just remember not to overcook it to retain its nutrients and vibrant color. Hey everyone, collard greens aren't just for the south, they're full of calcium, great for winter. We're talking strong bones and healthy teeth. Calcium also helps your muscles and nerves. Cook these greens with smoked paprika, add them to a stew, or cook them with garlic and chili flakes. Don't be afraid to add lots of flavor. Now for something spicy. Arugula, also called rocket, is strong. It has a peppery taste, but it's full of folate, good for healthy cells and even a good mood. Put it in a salad, on top of pizza or in pasta sauce. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Hey everyone, don't throw away beet greens. These leaves are full of vitamins and minerals, better than some store-bought vitamins. They have vitamins A, C, and K, plus potassium and iron. Cook them with garlic and olive oil, add them to stir-fry, or make pesto. Beet greens are tasty and deserve to be eaten. Lastly, romaine lettuce, the salad hero. It's crunchy and full of nutrients. Romaine lettuce has vitamins A and K, folate, and potassium. It adds crunch to your meals. Chop it for salads, use it as a wrap or grill it. Romaine lettuce is refreshing and perfect for winter. Okay, everyone. Now you know how good leafy greens are, especially in winter. No more boring meals. Eat your greens and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy tips. See you next time on Human Excellence.